This is how to set up your remote workspace with Hilton. My name is Margie Curran, and I'm the front desk agent at True by Hilton in Manassas. How many people are checking in today?
32?
32?
Yes.
Oh my gosh. Step 1, fill your cup. The coffee at True is amazing and gives you that extra boost to get your workday energy going. Step 2, get moving. True's desks are on wheels, so you can position to ensure the best natural lighting. Natural lighting gives you that little extra boost of productivity and makes you look great on those video calls. Step 3, start your engines. True rooms are conveniently set up with outlets that support charging multiple devices at once. Step 4, set up your tools. I start my day by reviewing emails and looking over any documents you might need. I also always have a pen and paper handy to jot down any urgent matters that need to be top of mind. That said, my laptop is front and center. Step 5, switch it up. If you need a printer or you just want to change up your personal background, head to our print center. Step 6, walk it out. Be sure to hit up the fitness center to get that midday walk-in, rain or shine. Step 7, press play. I need music to focus. Connect either via your phone or through an app on the TV to ensure nothing but high notes all day long. And that's how you set up your remote workspace at True by Hilton. Let's get to work. Fun fact, I drink 5 cups of True's coffee each shift, and it's delicious.